Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rima from Food Safety Works. Today, we are going to learn about portioning and service in food business operations. Food portioning is the usage of appropriate serviceware to transfer food from a cooking vessel to a food holding dish, whereas food service is the distribution of food in a safe and hygienic method to the service counters. Certain things that should be kept in mind while portioning the food are: food portioning area should be cleaned and sanitized. Equipment being used for portioning such as ladles, trolleys and food pans shall be cleaned and sanitized. High-risk food like salads must be portioned in a refrigerated area as they are at a risk of getting spoiled quickly. If you are portioning the food at room temperature, remember to finish portioning within 30 minutes. In cases where a large amount of food is cooked and it cannot be portioned within 30 minutes, then portioning should be done in an area where temperature is 15 degrees Celsius or below. As soon as you finish portioning, store hot food in the bain-marie or the Alto Charm and cold food in the chiller to maintain the temperature. Hot food intended for consumption should be held at 65 degrees Celsius. In the case of non-vegetarian food, the food intended for consumption should be held at 70 degrees Celsius. High-risk foods should be maintained at 5 degrees Celsius or below, whereas frozen products are held at -18 degrees Celsius or below. Remember, hot foods can be kept below 65 degrees Celsius but only for 2 hours. If the food is kept for more than 2 hours and the temperature is below 65 degrees Celsius, it should be reheated above 75 degrees Celsius for at least 2 minutes and put back in the hot holding. Food should be displayed in small portions. You can always refill it. Ensure that the temperature is monitored at regular intervals. Maintaining hygiene and correct temperature levels during food service is as important as food portioning. Certain things that should be kept in mind while serving the food are: use cleaned and sanitized trolleys for carrying the food. Before loading the food pans, the food handlers should make sure the temperature of bain-marie is 65 degrees Celsius or more. Food to be filled up to 3/4 of the food pan to avoid the spillage. The bain-marie should be kept closed at all times. Also ensure that reheating is never done in bain-marie. Remember, ready-to-eat foods should not be touched with bare hands. Each food item should have a separate handling tool such as latke, spoon, tong, etc. at the time of serving. All service staff should wear personal protective gear properly at the time of service. All service counters should be kept closed until food service starts. So, ensure that you follow these practices while portioning and serving the food to guarantee the food safety. Do follow these food portioning and service steps because food safety is everyone's business. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Please do like and share this video with your friends if you found this useful. And don't forget to visit our website www.foodsafetyworks.com to see how we can help you. Thank you.